Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to get the best possible results when you're marketing your Shopify store. So you guys have been requesting that I do a strategy video for you for some time now, so this is that video. So if you want to learn exactly what these 3 steps are, then make sure you watch this entire video. Welcome back. Thank you so much for checking out my content. I really appreciate it. If this is your first time here, my name is Kirk Buchanan, and on this channel I teach people how to start and grow their own e-commerce business. So if you've always wanted to learn exactly how to start and scale an e-commerce business, then make sure you get subscribed to my channel, because I'm always putting out great quality content to teach exactly how to do that. Okay, with that said, let me just get right into it and share with you exactly how I get the best possible results when I'm marketing my e-commerce store. Okay, so the first step to getting amazing results from your marketing campaign for your e-commerce store is, of course, to make sure that you have an expertly organized and a properly designed social media page and website. So I primarily use Instagram as my social media page, so I'm going to be making reference to Instagram. But everything I mention about Instagram can be applied to any other social media, whether it be Pinterest or Twitter or Facebook. It doesn't matter. But of course, you have to make sure that these are expertly done, because this is how you create a good first impression with your potential customers. And as you know, first impression goes a very far way. So your website and your social media are 2 different things. So I'm going to be speaking of them separately. So let's take the social media page first and foremost. Your Instagram page, you want to make sure that your Instagram page have a properly written bio. Too many people neglect the bio, but most people, when they go to your Instagram page, the first thing they do is to read your bio. So you want to make sure that your Instagram bio is clear and it gives a good representation as to what your business is about. The next thing that you want to pay very close attention to is the quality of the content that is on that social media page. You want to keep your content at a very high standard. So you want to have super high quality. If you're creating all the content by yourself, make sure that your content is of high quality. Get a proper camera. Most of these high-end smartphone have really good cameras these days that you could use to create really good content for your social media. But you want to make sure that your Instagram feed speaks quality. So that's the second thing you need to focus on as it relates to your social media page. The next thing that I know that works great is having a theme on your social media page. So I'm sure you've seen some social media pages on Instagram that are very theme specific. And what this does is it allows people to remember your social media page, and it creates a very strong brand identity when your social media page have a proper theme. So that is what you need to do on your social media page as it relates to optimization. As it relates to your website, the first thing I recommend you do is to get your website customized or get a premium theme for your website. I do highly suggest that you get it customized, because this is going to be a lot more cost effective for you, and most of the guys who are customizing your website will use a premium theme that they have on your website. The next thing you want to focus on your website to make sure that it appears to be expertly done is to, of course, make sure that you have high quality images of the product that you're selling on your website. No mediocre images. High quality images is going to speak volume for you and for your brand once again. The next thing you must focus on is getting properly written product description. So copywriting is very important. This is how you can actually tell a story about the product you're selling. So I highly recommend you have properly organized and properly written product descriptions for the product that you're selling. Some other things that are very important for your website to make it look expertly done is to make sure that you have your contact information, your shipping details, and branding, for example. These are just some of the things that you must have on your website if you want to get the best possible results when you're marketing your Shopify store. Okay, so the second step that you must take if you want to get amazing results from your marketing campaign for your e-commerce store is to make sure that you incorporate nano and micro influencers as a part of your content creation strategy. So this is something that that I've spoken about before, but it's a very big part, a very important part of this marketing strategy that works so well. And this has been proven by a ton of different research and even my own personal experience. So you want to make sure that you are using influencers in your marketing campaign, and more specifically nano and micro influencers. And these are influencers who have an audience of less than 100,000 people. The smaller the audience, the better. So let me explain why that is. What you're really trying to do is to get these micro content creators to create content for you that you can use as testimonials. So this is great for social proof, and social proof is one of those psychological factors that get people to say yes. And essentially that is exactly what you're trying to do. So the aim is to get these micro content creators to create content packs for you that you can use on your social media. So if you could get these content creators to create maybe a 15-second video clip for you or a 1-minute video clip, and to get some images of them actually using the product, this is great for social proof. So you can actually take this content and post it on your social media, and then you can do wonders with this. This is going to resonate a lot better with your audience, and this is going to drive a lot of traffic and a lot of conversions. So this is why this marketing strategy works so well, and that's because of the testimonial effect and the social proof effect. So if you want to get amazing results from your marketing campaign, you have to be using user generated content, and basically that is what you're trying to replicate by using nano and micro content creators. Okay guys, so the third and final step in this very simple 3-step process that's going to help you to get some amazing results when you're marketing your Shopify store is, of course, to boost your content using paid advertising on social media. So once you've gotten these content packs from your nano and your micro content creators, then you want to take this piece of content and you want to set up marketing campaigns on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube pre-roll, wherever. As long as your budget allows you to do it and you know exactly who and where your target audience is, you want to market to these people. But once again, one of the main reasons why this works so well is because you are actually using this piece of content that is social proof and you're sharing it with as many people in your target audience as possible. These people will see it as genuine content, as user generated content, and this will get them to take action. This is going to get more people to say yes to you and to your product, and this is going to drive a lot more traffic and drive a lot more conversion for you and for your business. However, there are 4 key things that you must pay very close attention to when you're boosting this content on social media. The first thing you want to pay very close attention to is the targeting, of course. So you have to make sure that you get the targeting right. Most of these platforms make it very easy for you to target the right people. So make sure you know exactly who you're trying to sell to, who your ideal customer is, and that you get your targeting right. The next thing you want to do and not neglect, as I've seen so many people neglected this one thing that could have helped them to actually increase their traffic and drive a lot more conversion, and that is to engage with the people who have interacted with your ad on social media. And this can help you tremendously to increase your conversions. The next thing that you want to focus on is optimizing your ad campaigns as you go along. So most of these platforms, once again, will give you a lot of information as it relates to analytics. So you want to pay very close attention to this and identify areas that you can improve, and improving these areas and continuously optimize your advertising strategy so you can get the best possible results. And finally, you want to make sure that you keep a portion of your profits to reinvest in your business. So I highly recommend you reinvest as much as you can back into marketing, and this is going to help you to scale your business a lot faster. So there you have it, guys. Basically, those are the very simple 3-step process that you must follow if you want to get amazing results when you're marketing your Shopify store. I really do hope you found a lot of value in this video, and if you did, let me know by dropping a like on this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, I highly recommend you get subscribed to my channel because I'm always putting out great quality content to teach you exactly how to start and grow your business on the internet. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one.